Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've sat here. I secretly filmed a few videos so that I could spend August with my kids and, you know, have no kind of extras to do, although I couldn't ever film here because they're too blooming noisy anyway. So I'm back with some new fresh ideas. The first one is dermaplaning. Now it's not new to me. If you scroll right down below, you'll see a film about me talking about how I used to remove my vellus hair, that lovely kind of soft downy hair that you get on the side of your face. Well, not lovely as far as I'm concerned. And I used lots of facial creams and that was fine. Never had any sensitivity. I know some people's skin are very sensitive and can react to that, but for me it worked. So I'll just do some emails, remove it, job done. Since then, I've been using a lot more active ingredients, vitamin C's and retinols, and I was just a little bit unsure that using too many chemicals on my face might create a sensitivity in my skin, so I stopped. But obviously my lovely downy hair came back. So why would you want to dermaplane your face? What is dermaplaning? Well, dermaplaning is a form of exfoliation, and if you know me well enough by now, I've had terrible skin for 15 years plus. So even if my skin is good, I'm always going to criticise it because I just have that sort of skin dysmorphia. I always feel that my skin is never that great because I suffered for so many years. That aside, it's a wonderful way to exfoliate your skin. As if your partner, friend, husband shaves their face, it's obviously really smooth afterwards. So it's really great for exfoliation. And it removes the soft vellus hair on the side of your face, which leaves a very super smooth surface for makeup. And when I was working with this client who'd had the dermaplaning, the makeup just glided onto her skin really beautifully, and she was like, come on, you got a dermaplane, girl. Sorry for that accent. Anyway, so I chose a few different products. Some are great, some weren't so great. The best one I found, which I literally just got on Amazon, Stacked Skincare. And I've used this blade actually for quite a long time and I haven't changed it. You can buy extra blades and I think you're meant to change them every time, but I haven't, and I still get a really good job from it. So around every 6 weeks when I kind of see like the soft hairs come on the side of my face, I just dermaplane. Now, if you go and have it done in the salon, which for those of you who know me, I'd rather do things at home if I can, so this is great. They will say that they will dermaplane by razoring your face at a 45-degree angle upwards, but just to be aware, when you're doing it yourself, they advise to do it downwards. Maybe start downwards. I have never cut myself, by the way, and I am quite clumsy. Never cut myself. And I was obviously a little bit dubious. It is a bit strange because essentially I am shaving my face, but I just want to block that thought out. I'm just dermaplaning. So I'm not sure how close you can see, but I'm going to take the razor here and I'm just going to do little marks like this. Do little actions, 45-degree angle. And on the razor, you see all the dead skin cells and the hair. This process will probably take me about a minute. I just sort of take it up to here. I'm sort of just downy in the sort of classic beard area, much finer here. It's just the side bits that I really, really like. It doesn't hurt. I've never cut myself. My skin feels so soft afterwards. Now obviously some women have a lot of dark hair. Keep the skin nice and tight so you don't nick yourself. You can see it all gathering at the side. It's that simple. I've just got a tissue on my leg here which I'm just removing the excess of. Tighten it again, 45-degree angle, and remove. It's as simple as that. Now, does it grow back stubbly? No, it really doesn't. Mine doesn't anyway. It's very fine. If you have a thicker, coarser hair, you might feel the initial growth come through, but after 2 days it will just become soft again. I wouldn't recommend that you use this if your skin has any sensitivity, if you've got any type of acne, if you've got rosacea. Just do it if your skin is feeling good. Now, also, you only do this on a cleansed skin and a dry skin, so you get a nice finish. So we're not using any sort of shaving foams or any kind of lotions or potions. It's a really, now as my skin is looser now, around here, I just take it up like that. And the skin is smooth. And I just like my skin like this. I appreciate that for some of you, you won't like it, you won't want to do it, and that's totally fine. I'm just letting you know what I like to do and the tools that I like to do. Obviously, as a makeup artist, I work very closely and I'm very analytical of people's faces and different things that you can do to improve them. If you're using a lot of powder products, the fine hair can distort the beautiful finish of a powder because the powder sits on the fine hairs. It doesn't look smooth and soft. But I absolutely love the way my skin feels after this. And it also allows all the great products that you're using, the expensive products that I'm buying, putting on my skin, it allows them to penetrate the skin much better rather than sitting on the surface. I don't know what you're going to say about this film actually. I hope you're going to like it. And if you don't like it and it's not for you, I hope you're still going to be positive. Anyway, I look forward to speaking to you below and chat next week. Hope you're all well. Bye for now.